All right, everyone. So all can hear me. All can hear me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes. So in the sound,
Evening,
what all
sir.
things we have learned, all of you tell me one by one.
Sir, wave.
Sir, how
ठीक है,
sound
सब बोल
propagates?
सकते हैं.
Sir, wave. Sir, shall I tell?
Sir, how sound propagates and how is sound formed?
Right. So we have talked about how sound is
Sir, we
produced.
talked about waves and how types of waves.
Sir,
Right.
and rarefaction and compression.
And how it propagates?
We talked about types of waves, longitudinal and transverse wave.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in the transverse wave, we have seen that the wave propagates in the form of consecutive crests and troughs. And longitudinal wave propagates in the form of successive compressions and rarefactions. Right? These all things we have talked about in the previous classes. So today let us see all about the waves. Let us see all about the waves today. So basically, if we draw the wave, it is like this kind of pattern. So here we have certain wave properties. So with respect to this pattern, let us go through the wave properties. So there are different variables which gives us complete idea about the wave. They are wavelength, frequency, wave speed. Let us just write down all the properties first. Then we have time period. And then further we have the relation with respect to the amplitude. So if we observe this wave, यहाँ पर अगर हम कुछ disturbance create करेंगे, let us say I just created some kind of disturbance here. वो डिस्टर्बेंस थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्बेंस हल्का सा झटका दिया यहाँ पर, सो ये वेव लेफ्ट की तरफ प्रोपेगेट करेगा विथ सम स्पीड. ज्यादा जोर से झटका दिया, दैट मीन्स इट विल गो विथ मोर स्पीड. दैट मीन्स this wave is characterized by the speed with which it moves. So wave speed is very simple. Let us say we denote by the symbol v. तो wave speed क्या होगा? How can we define this? Speed with which wave propagates. Later on all will write. I'll give the time to write. पहले समझना है. So wave speed is the speed with which wave propagates, or you can say wave travels. Now we have wavelength. What is this wavelength? Guys, in the previous classes we have seen that these are the points which are called as crests, and these are the points which are called as the troughs. So it can be observed that the distance between two consecutive crests, that is called as wavelength. Any two consecutive crests or two consecutive troughs, उसके बीच में distance same होंगे, you can see. So wavelength, how to define? This is the distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive troughs. This is called as the wavelength. Is this clear to all कि wavelength क्या होता है? Okay, जिनको doubt होगा they will message me in the chat. Now talking about the time period. As the name suggests, this is the time taken for one complete oscillation. One complete oscillation you say, or you say one complete vibration. So what is oscillation? Back and forth movement. So let us suppose object is here. Object goes to the right, comes back, again goes to the left, and then comes back. So this is one complete oscillation. So whatever time will be taken for this complete oscillation, we will call that as the time period, denoted by capital T. So in the graph here you can see कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये एक वेव है. This is one wave, guys. So one wave, what does it denote? The time taken is one time period. What is frequency? This is the number of oscillations per unit time taken for those many oscillations. So number of oscillations or vibrations per unit time. So it's very clear. When the number of oscillation will be 1, then the time taken will be one time period, and we get another expression for frequency, that is 1 by T. तो ये दो expression है frequency के. Now let us see the relation between wavelength denoted by lambda. This is just a Greek symbol. Relationship between wavelength, speed and time period. Later on all will write wavelength, speed and time period. So we know the relation between distance, speed and time. What is the relation? Distance is equal to speed into time. या फिर speed is equal to distance by time. So in the same manner, wavelength is the distance, right? So instead of distance, I'll write wavelength. Time period is the time and speed is v. This is the relation between wavelength, speed and time period. This is the relation between wavelength, speed and time period. Well, we can also modify this relation. We know that frequency is 1 by T. So this expression I can rewrite it as lambda into 1 by T is equal to V. And that gives us lambda into frequency as the wave speed. So overall, how many relations we have here? Let us write down. Frequency is number of oscillations per unit time taken, and F is equal to 1 by T. Lambda is equal to V by F कह दो, या फिर lambda into F is equal to V, and lambda by T is equal to V. The last thing that we are left is the amplitude. Amplitude is the maximum displacement, or you can say maximum displacement from the mean position, from the original position. Now with respect to the graph, it will be more clear what this original position mean. Let us say we have the graph. दो ग्राफ लेते हैं, एक ये ग्राफ ले लिया और दूसरा ये ग्राफ ले लिया. So amplitude is basically this distance. That means what is the distance of the point crest or trough? That is amplitude. So this is very clear कि second case में amplitude is greater. So now tell me guys, you all can unmute and let me know who has
Yes,
any
got
doubt.
it.
Sir, what is
Sir, when will we write?
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, can you
Writing
explain again the relation between that, sir, wavelength, speed, and time?
Distance by time is speed. तो distance कैसे measure करते हैं? wavelength से. Time कैसे? time period से. speed v से. इसमें क्या explain करना है?
Sir, that what is the symbol, sir?
You have the symbol. This is called as lambda. This is the symbol for wavelength.
Sir, what is V?
यहाँ देखो, यहाँ लिखा हुआ है ना भाई लोग,
V
ये
is
wave
wave
speed.
speed. Wave
Wave speed.
speed. Sir, one
Okay,
doubt, sir. Sir, at the
Yes.
last you have written an equation. Sir, can you explain that at the last you have written last, full last?
Wavelength
Wave-
into frequency is equal to
wave speed.
yes, sir,
Wave
wave
speed.
Sir, is it, what is that dot?
Dot means into
multiplication.
Okay, okay.
wavelength into frequency is wave speed.
Sir, then before that it is written that F is equals to 1 by T.
I by T.
अगर मैं दे दिया x is equal to 2, find the value of 2x plus 3, तो इसको मैथमेटिकली कैसे निकालते हैं? ये यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
So we know that lambda by t is equal to v, and 1 by t is what frequency? So lambda.
Sir, what is this ulta y?
Lambda.
Where were you? Where were
That
you
is wavelength.
when you joined? Who asked me? Who asked me this question?
Rarav.
Let me know your name. When did you
Arav.
join? When did you join, Arav?
Sir, 35.
So where were you present when we discussed all about this?
Sir, from frequency.
So that means why you were late?
Sir, I was joining from another device.
अभी फिर से क्लियर किया ना, ये वेवलेंथ है लैम्डा, एंड वेवलेंथ इनटू फ्रीक्वेंसी इज वेव स्पीड.
Sir, is it 1? F is equals to 1 by T.
when जब मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ तब कहाँ होते हो सभी लोग?
सर ये मुझे पता ही नहीं चला सर, यहाँ 1 लिखा है ना सर आपने?
तो ये जब मैं नरेट कर रहा था f इज इक्वल टू समथिंग बाई टी, वो कब, वो उस समय कहाँ थे? एक बार लिखा है क्या? ये एक बार नहीं लिखा है, कितना बार? अभी भी इनफैक्ट किया, अभी भी बताया 1 by t है. दीज आर ऑल कॉमन सेंस गाइस.
ओके सर. सर निकेतन ने बोला कि
equation.
वो आई है.
क्या?
सर निकेतन ने बोला कि वो आई है, इसीलिए मैं कंफ्यूज हो
My
गया.
mistake.
आई नहीं है, आई नहीं है. दिस इज 1 by t. चलो जल्दी इसको लिखो. एंड एनी अदर डाउट गाइस? एक एक करके सभी कह सकते हो.
So I have a doubt.
What doubt you have?
So in the first point wavelength, so the last word two consecutive after what? So after consecutive, what is?
It is troughs.
Okay. Sir.
Troughs. All right, guys, done, everyone?
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir, done.
So let us do this one. इसका आंसर जिसको मिलेगा they will let me know in the chat. ओके, वेट वेट, ये 2 मिनट और रुक जाते हैं, जल्दी से सभी कोई नोट कर लो, नॉट मोर देन 2 मिनट्स। और नोट करने का मतलब सिर्फ लिखना नहीं है, यू हैव टू ऑल्सो गो थ्रू इट वंस। Quickly, all will write this. All right, so let us do this question now. Whoever will be done, they will let me know the answer. All should get this one. The frequency of a given sound is 2500 units. How many vibrations is it completing in 1 second? Time is 1 second. How many vibration means you have to find n. So we know that frequency is equal to number of vibrations per unit time. So from here, if we put the values, we can get n is equal to f into t, and f is 2500, t is 1. So number of vibrations will be 2500 units, right? 2500 vibrations will constitute 2500 frequency. Now the thing is the units. Wavelength, since it is the distance, unit is meter. Wave speed unit क्या होगा? मीटर पर सेकेंड. टाइम पीरियड का यूनिट क्या होगा? सेकेंड. फ्रीक्वेंसी का यूनिट क्या होगा? रिमेंबर गाइस, दिस इज हर्ट्ज. HERTZ. Hertz is the SI unit of frequency. एम्पलीट्यूड का यूनिट क्या होगा? मीटर. SI यूनिट मीटर होगा, बिकॉज एम्पलीट्यूड इज द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. So in this question, who has doubt? I will not repeat the answer, guys. इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ था ही नहीं. You should specifically ask me what is the doubt. What does this mean? Repeat this. Repeat this. Repetition will not be allowed, because अगर कोई टफ कॉन्सेप्ट रहता तो रिपीट करते. जिस समय whenever I am explaining you all guys, what you all guys are doing? ये 2500 इंटू 1, इसमें क्या समझाना है भाई? 2500 होता है. ये 2500 इंटू 1, इसको क्या मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके दिखाएं? 0 0 5 2. नो रिपीटेशन अलाउड फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. समझ में नहीं आया तो फिर 3 और 4 क्लास को फिर से पढ़ो, 1 2 क्लासेस पढ़ो. फिर मल्टीप्लीकेशन है वो, वहां पर कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं है, कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. 2500 इंटू 1 कर रहे हैं वहां पर. लेट अस डू दिस क्वेश्चन गाइस. लेट अस डू दिस क्वेश्चन। सभी कोई इसको ध्यान से करेंगे। क्या क्या मेंशन्ड है, ऑल कैन टेल मी। ट्यूनिंग
Sir,
फॉर
frequency.
हैविंग फ्रीक्वेंसी, यस फ्रीक्वेंसी दिया हुआ है।
Sir, frequency 1.
वेवलेंथ 1.1 मीटर दिया हुआ है। What we have to find, calculate the speed. You have to find the speed. So what relation we have? Wavelength into frequency is equal to wave speed. Quickly, all of you find this out.
सर कौन से यूनिट में लिखना है इसको?
किसको कौन से यूनिट में लिखना है?
सर स्पीड को सर आंसर आ गया है सर।
ये यहाँ पे यूनिट दिया ना, ये यूनिट यहाँ पर
थैंक यू
रखा है,
ठीक है।
इसको नोट कर लो सभी कोई।
Sir, 343.2 meters per
हाँ
second.
सर 343.2
Yes, sir.
343.2.
343.2 units.
या मीटर पर
मीटर्स
सेकंड।
पर सेकेंड, यूनिट नहीं, यहाँ पर सब दिया हुआ है ना।
हाँ sir, लिखिए।
Everything is mentioned. It should be meter
हाँ
per
सर
second.
इजी है।
Everyone got this?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yes, sir. Got this.
Ragini,
सर,
let me
मेरी
know what answer you
बहुत
got.
आसान था सर, बहुत
Ragini, let me know what answer you got for this one and how you got. We get 342.2. If you just multiply 312 with 1.1, we get 343.2. And unit will be meter per second. Now, one thing you can tell me, Aditya will tell me now. Aditya, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So after every question, can you tell me why you are telling can we do more problems? Did I say to anyone कि अब हम problem नहीं करेंगे?
No, sir.
इससे पहले वाले में भी can we do more problems? नहीं बता सकते हो, अगर तंग करना है तो बता सकते हो, मैं भी रेडी रहूंगा। इसके बाद भी you asked, इसके बाद भी you asked.
No, sir. I'll not ask from now.
Not ask means that's not the problem. Problem is कि ऐसा नहीं है ना कि हम कभी कह दिए कि आप प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेंगे। We are going on doing this because
Okay, sir.
how much you will understand, that's my duty. So कितना समझाने के लिए कितना प्रॉब्लम कराना है, I should have planned about that. अगर नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट कर दिया होता then you would have been telling me repeatedly कि let's do more problems, let's do more problems. अभी मैं ही एक जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ। आई एम आस्किंग यू आदित्य a general question.
Yes, sir.
Do this solution once again. ठीक है, कर लो। फिर कहूंगा फिर do this solution once again and show it to me. ये तो हम 1 और 2 क्लास में करते हैं थे ना। अगर तुम 1 या 2 क्लास में होते तब मैं तुम्हें ऐसी बात कहता। So similarly you are thinking कि मैं 1 और 2 क्लास में हूँ। Let us do one more question guys. ध्यान से क्वेश्चन सभी सुनेंगे। So there is a wave having, a wave is shown below. Now you all have to get the idea from the diagram here. ये डायग्राम है। So from this diagram, you all have to find the things that I am mentioning here. You all have to find the amplitude. You all have to find the wavelength. You all have to find out the frequency. And you all have to find out the time period. चलो जल्दी से सभी कोई ध्यान देके इसको करेंगे. Quite difficult question guys. ये हो गया, मतलब पूरा ये वेव प्रॉपर्टी समझ में आ गया. All should do this quickly. All the answers. Quickly, all will do this one. I can see only 2-3 answers here, guys. सभी कोई करेंगे. So last 30 seconds, guys. सभी को ये करना है. Then we will see together how to do जिनको doubts हैं. So let us see this one. Amplitude. This is the amplitude, right? So it is 0.2 millimeter. Wavelength. What is the wavelength here? This is 10 meter. That means यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये 10 meter है. So what is this 10 meter actually? How many cycles it is including? One cycle. ये one wavelength हो गया, right? And ये half wavelength हो गया, 0.5 wavelength. That means 1.5 wavelength is 10 meter actually. So from here you can get wavelength as 10 by 1.5. So that will be 20 by 3 meters. Right, everyone are correct. Most of you, I can see the answer. They are right. Frequency, how we will find? Once we have figured out the wavelength, we have the speed. We can now find out the frequency. We will use wavelength into frequency as the wave speed. So this will give us the frequency as wave speed by wavelength. That is 2 by 20 by 3. So this will be 6 by 20 and that will be 3 by 10. So 0.3 hertz. What is the frequency? 0.3 hertz. And once you have got frequency, you can find time period. Time period is 1 by frequency. So that implies time period will be 1 by 0.3. So it will be 3.33 seconds. So everyone understood this one? Whoever has doubt, you can raise your hand. Okay, no one has doubt. Let us do another one. So here you have to find the wavelength, frequency, time period. जल्दी से, ये जिसका होगा पहले we will discuss this. Yes, Niketan, what doubt you have?
Sir, what is the what you have written here, sir?
This is 10 seconds.
Okay, sir.
quickly, all will do this.
Yes, let us check now. यहां पर टाइम दिया हुआ है, दैट मीन्स ये देखो, ये एक टाइम पीरियड हो गया, ये 2 टाइम पीरियड हो गया. सो फॉर 2 टाइम पीरियड द टाइम टेकन इज 10 सेकेंड्स. तो एक टाइम पीरियड क्या होगा, 5 सेकेंड्स. अब टाइम पीरियड निकल गया, फ्रीक्वेंसी निकल सकता है. व्हाट दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी विल बी, f is equal to 1 by t. So that is 1/5. तो ये हो जाएगा 0.2 hertz. Frequency is 0.2 hertz. Now you have frequency, you have the wave speed, you can find the wavelength. We know wavelength into frequency क्या होता है? Wave speed. तो यहाँ से हमें wavelength मिल जाएगा, that will be 2 divided by frequency. So this will be 10 meters. So I can see the answers. Siddharth is right, absolutely right, Siddharth. ये समझ में आया? Everyone understood? Let me know here in the poll. कितनों को समझ में आ रहा है? So all should take part in the poll. I'll get the idea how many of you did not understand this. Yes, for frequency we can use speed by wavelength. Okay. So maximum of you understood. जो समझ में नहीं आएगा, either they would have joined late or they would not be cautious in the class because we went through 3-4 times. Let us do one more question. So if a wave moves with a speed of, if a wave moves with a speed of 2 meters per second, you have to find the wavelength and frequency if the time period is 0.2 seconds. Quickly, all will do this one. all can do this one quickly. We'll do. So only 4 answers I can see. All can do this one. This is a very direct question. So here what all things we have in this question? We have here the speed of the wave, 2 meters per second, and the time period you have. Well, from the time period you can find frequency. F is equal to 1 by t. So that will be 1 by 0.2. So this will be 5 hertz. So we have figured out the frequency. And to find wavelength, we can get the wavelength using the formula wavelength into frequency as the wave speed. And wave speed, we know it is 2. Frequency just now we found. So 5 into wavelength is equal to 2. And from here we will get wavelength as 2 by 5, that is 0.4 meters. So all I can see the answers, most of you, they are getting 5 hertz and 5 by 2 as the wavelength. 5 by 2 नहीं होगा, 2 by 5 होगा. जिनका 2 by 5 आ रहा है, they are correct. That means 0.4 meter is the wavelength. All right, everyone. So what all things we learned? We learned about what is wavelength, what is frequency, what is time period, what is wave speed, and what is amplitude. We even saw the relation between them. Frequency was number of oscillations per unit time. Another expression was F is equal to 1 by T. And another expression was the wavelength into frequency was the wave speed. So we worked on the numericals based on this. In the next class, we will talk about the other properties as in loudness, pitch of sound, and the different frequency range which the humans as well as other animals can hear. And we will talk about the human ear. So all of you, then let's meet in the next class and let us discuss about these stuffs as well. All right, everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, bye
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Class then.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Sir, is it compulsory to write 2 by 5 as 0.4 meter?
No, you can write, if you want to write 2 by 5 meter, you can write like this also.
Sir, because I have written only 2 by 5.
Yes, yes, that's right.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Hi, sir. Thank you, sir.